Ever wonder what makes women so unique? What qualities set them apart? Today we're going to explore 10 fascinating characteristics that are typically associated with women. So, buckle up and prepare to be enlightened. Let's dive into the fascinating world of women's characteristics. Fact number 1. Women tend to be more empathetic. They are naturally tuned into the emotions of others, enabling them to connect on a deep, emotional level. This empathy often extends beyond their immediate circle, reaching out to those in need, whether it's a friend, a family member, or even a stranger. Moving on to fact 2, women are generally more social. They have an innate ability to foster relationships and build strong social networks. Their communication skills often extend beyond mere words, encompassing body language and nonverbal cues. Fact 3, women are typically multitaskers. They're adept at juggling multiple responsibilities at once, whether at home or in the workplace. Their ability to focus on several tasks simultaneously is truly commendable. Fact 4, women are often more detail-oriented. They have a keen eye for detail, which can be seen in both their professional and personal lives. This characteristic often leads to high levels of precision and accuracy in their work. Fact 5, women are usually more patient. This patience is often reflected in their ability to handle stressful situations with grace and composure. On to fact 6, women are typically more risk-averse. They tend to take calculated risks, often prioritizing safety and security. Fact 7, women are generally more nurturing. They have a natural inclination towards caring for others, often putting the needs of others before their own. Fact 8, women tend to have better memory recall. They're often able to remember important dates, events, and details that others might forget. Fact 9, women are usually more intuitive. They often rely on their gut feelings and instincts when making decisions. And finally, fact 10, women are often more resilient. They have the ability to bounce back from adversity, showing strength and perseverance in the face of hardship. These are just a few of the myriad qualities that make women so uniquely amazing. So, what have we learned? Women often exhibit empathy, sociability, multitasking abilities, attention to detail, patience, risk aversion, nurturing instincts, great memory recall, intuition, and resilience. Each one is unique, embodying a diverse blend of these traits. Remember, understanding these characteristics can help us appreciate the women in our lives even more. Thanks for watching.